to your point, I mean, you have so many different platforms out there. How can people get in contact with you guys?
Well, they could, well, if it's your audience, I'd say go through you, right? Because I think I just got a text today that we were going to do something special for our partners and their audience, their clients this month in December. So some type of special deal. I don't know what that is, but whether it's some additional work from our team or potentially a discount, just in good faith. That's happening this month of December. So if anyone is interested in working with us through you, then definitely reach out through the boss. But otherwise, they can find us just on neilpatel.com or npxl.com or npdigital.com. Probably too many websites to mention, but you can't go wrong with neilpatel.com.
Got it.